Model 2016 Renault Trafic VIVARO LL29 Business 1.6 DCI Spares OR Repairs Body, white, panel van mileage, 196,370 Engine, 1,598 CCR9M 115E5A Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Engine, gearbox and clutch are perfect condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Long wheelbase fitted with a tow bar features, 2 former keepers, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.